Hi, I'm glad to see you again. At that video we are going to install Docker at Windows system. So let's go to browser and type Docker desktop. Then we can visit according Docker.com products Docker desktop page and download Windows installer. I've already done it to speed up the process. So when you will download it, please run according Docker desktop installer. Then click yes. And you will see according installation window. Please wait on the process would be finished. Currently I will pause the video here as it will take some time and will return back when it would be done. Okay, installation succeeds. Please close button. And let's run Docker desktop. Here we will need to install additional package to avoid current error, so please click continue, put that aside, and let's go to that link. Now we have to download Linux kernel update package and run it. Click next. Yes. Finish. And now click restart. Okay. Let's wait at Docker engine starting. And here we are. It is already running. Let's check if all is working correctly. Put cmd, that is command prompt. And let's run docker ps. That will show all running containers at our system. At that moment we have none of them, so that is okay. Let's check also docker compose. As you see, it is also installed. Docker compose is a special tool that we'll be using for automating processes on creating different environments. So here we are. Take my congratulations. Now you are having Docker on Windows installed, and we can continue further with running Elasticsearch using Docker. See you in the next lecture.